Is passing on this an option? This is Meal Maker. 3 ingredients, my brain, your meal. Chicken, pumpkin, eggs. Chicken, pumpkin, eggs. Okay, are you ready for this? We're gonna make breakfast. I know, chicken for breakfast, groundbreaking. But protein's really important. So what came first, the chicken or the egg? In this recipe, it's gonna be the chicken. You're going to use a chicken mince. You're gonna fry it down until it's really crispy, almost like a chickeny, mincy crumb. And flavour profile, I'm thinking cumin. Cumin and pumpkin are such good friends. And then the pumpkin, because it's butternut squash, you can slice it into, say, 1 centimetre discs. And the top of the bell of the butternut squash doesn't have a seed pouch, so you've just got these lovely little slices. So what you can do with them is the night before you make this, you can zap them in the microwave, so say 10 minutes until they're pretty soft, just softened, fork tender. And then in the morning, you've got 2 options. You can do this in the oven, lined baking tray, scoop out the middle, crack in an egg, and you've got like edible plates for your eggs to bake in, or you can fry it in a pan. On goes my little pumpkin plate, in goes my egg cracked in, and then I'm gonna whack the lid on, and once the egg sets, which you can watch, or you can walk away, come back, 5-10 minutes later, and you've got your set eggs, depending how runny you like them. Finish it off with your cuminy chicken crumb. What a great, fun, prep ahead, fancy breakfast or brunch or dinner or lunch. If you're after some meal maker magic, come into the Good Guys for all your meal making needs.